Presentation. Hello, my name is Natalia. I am 27 years old. I am live in the city of Pereira. I am have two daughters. I am a public accounting student. The presentation of this video is made according to the activity that's for. Let's start and start speaking tasks. UNADChef Activity 2. The ingredients I will use for this recipe are 4 breads, 2 cups of vegetables, carrot, peas, pepper, onion, 1 pound of rice, salt, sausages, tomatoes, 6 water rice. Chicken rice recipe. To start with, in the large pot, cook 4 breads in 6 cups of water and 2 dates. Cut the pepper and onions into finely chopped squares and cook for 40 minutes. Second, we take out the breads and use the bronze to cook the rice for 30 minutes. After cooking the rice and the vegetables. After that, prepare the stew with tomato, onion, paprika, 10 minutes, fried yogurt with the sausages. My wily shredded chicken and add into the stew. Finally, we mix the rice with the vegetables, chicken and sausages. Invitation. Come and join to taste this delicious dish and enjoy the landscapes of our beautiful city of Pereira. Thank you. Bye bye.